Escape the ordinary and discover exceptional luxury in this model home in the tract of Roxford Crest in the heart of Foothill Ranch. My name is Tim Morset. Let me show you this property. This stunning Mediterranean showplace is truly amazing. Exquisite interior architecture and designer upgrades welcome you, while the family-oriented floor plan offers comfort and casual living for everyone. Some of the custom upgrades throughout this lovely home include new interior paint, brand new luxury flooring, plantation shutters, and new light fixtures. A convenient downstairs bedroom is perfect for an office and is adjacent to a remodeled full bath. The expansive kitchen features granite countertops, a custom stone backsplash, rich wood cabinetry, and ample counter space. The versatile loft can serve as a media room, office, or teen space. There are 2 additional bedrooms that are spacious, one with offering a private balcony. The spacious primary suite boasts high ceilings, a view of the gorgeous backyard, a large walk-in closet, dual vanities, a soaking tub, and separate shower enclosure. The backyard is a sanctuary featuring a sparkling saltwater pool, patio for dining, creating a park-like setting perfect for relaxation and entertaining. This property has everything you've been looking for. It's priced right with a beautiful backyard. My name is Tim Morset with Coldwell Banker. Take care, be safe.